Thank you, everybody, for joining us. My name is James Francis. I will be your facilitator for today's webinar, which is co-sponsored by Palo Alto and ITWeb, and we are going to be talking about the top 5 cloud-native risks. It's very interesting that in 2020, only 31% of organizations had their workloads in the cloud. Today, nearly 70% of them have it in there. And we don't need to go into detail about what is so great about using the cloud. There are pros and cons, but it's definitely the revolution moving forward. The new paradigm for how we use computing, certainly mixing it up with different environments as well. As I say, cloud is not a destination. It's more of a methodology. It's a way of doing things, and that's what makes it so appealing. But there is a very, very, very big pothole on this journey to using the cloud, and that is application development security. There are numerous ways that this process can put your organization at risk, either at the development level or how it is deployed, or even how users interact with it. This is an environment you have to manage from a security perspective. And that's what we will be unpacking today. I've looked at the reports. It's really good stuff. So, Gordon, thank you for your time, and I'll hand over to you. Thank you.
Great. Thanks so much, James. I'll just turn on my screen share here quickly. Just give me a second. All right. So what are the new ways that applications are essentially being deployed into the cloud? Now, bear in mind, in the old days, you used to write a monolithic application, thousands of lines of code. You used to package that into an application, and then you used to go and buy a physical server, deploy it in your data center, and put your application on it, and it would essentially like run forever. But that's not the way that cloud-native applications work anymore. So first of all, applications are starting to be containerized. Then they're being dynamically managed. And then we're using microservices now. Organizations are moving more and more workloads to the cloud, but they have a fundamental lack of knowledge in terms of the security of the cloud. Remember, most customers now have a hybrid cloud approach, a multi-cloud hybrid cloud approach. So they're using multiple public cloud vendors. Typically in South Africa, it's AWS and Azure, simply because we have a footprint here. Google is now coming very, very soon. But they use a multi-cloud approach. And from an administrative perspective, you need a tool that can cover all of your public cloud providers and, to an extent, your private cloud as well.
Gordon, finally, thank you very much for your insights today. Very, very good presentation. I really enjoyed it.
Thanks very much, James. Keep well, everyone.